You might see many videos on internet about generating passive income, different websites and apps to make money online. You might be confused about what is the legitimate website and is it possible for everyone to make money in the internet. In this video, I want to share 10 websites which will help you to make decent passive income. You might be a student or someone looking to build a secondary income source, or someone who is looking for part-time jobs, or unemployed, or housewife, or retired. See, whatever you might be, these 10 websites will really help you to make decent passive income, and these are the websites which are tested and verified by me. So watch this video till the end to find out all the 10 websites that you need to make decent passive income. And before that, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are a new visitor. Let's get into the video. The first website that I'm going to share is Check India. Check is a very popular site. You might have already heard about Check. So it's simple, like you just need to provide answers to questions from various students. So it might be college student asking questions for their assignments, or people who are researching about something asking questions for their research purpose. People will post questions in Check platform. So you need to answer those questions. If your answer is satisfied, then ultimately you will be paid. So it is something which has a lot of opportunities for students to earn money. If you feel like you're good at something, you're good at mathematics, or you're good at computer science, or if you're good at physics, see whatever the subject it might be, you can register as a tutor. It's simple. So if you open this, you will find the links of all the websites that I am going to share in the description. So if you open this website, like you need to click sign up as a tutor. So once you start signing up, like you need to undergo online screening. It's like they will ask you few questions to test your subject knowledge. If you answer that, you will be shortlisted. After that, like they will ask some verification documents and all. Then that's it. You will be considered as an expert after that. Next year, you can directly start doing that. You can choose from number of subjects. You can choose one, and you can start answering that. See, there are more chances you can make up to 50K per month easily using Check. All you need to do is like you need to know how to answer questions on that particular subject. If you feel you are good at a specific thing, then ultimately utilize that. Nowadays, it becomes more easier with apps like ChatGPT helping us in a more advanced way. So you can utilize those platforms and you can earn money. So this is something which is the first website that will help you to make money. And second in the list is Studypool. Studypool is similar to Chat, but it has also some advanced features. So you can earn money by solving homework questions. So that is similar to Check. And the other thing is you can also sell documents in Studypool. Like if you are a student, you have prepared your notes or you have prepared a study material for your exams. You can directly upload that here, and people who are in need of such kind of study materials will pay you money to download it. You can set a price, like let's suppose you are selling your computer science, one of your computer science subject notes here for $10. People who need that, actually they will pay you on download. So multiple people can download it, so you can earn a lot with single note. So these are the two ways that you can make money using Studypool. And yeah, it's also a great platform to make some decent passive income, especially for students, because you are dealing with notes and other stuff, so it makes easy for you to earn money. And number three is Swagbucks. So Swagbucks is a popular platform to earn money by answering surveys and by browsing through internet. Yes, it sounds silly, but it is how it works. The first way to earn money using Swagbucks is by participating in online surveys. See, online surveys are like companies or brands might plan to launch their products, but they need someone to answer the surveys, like how certain people from certain age group are feeling and all. So if you can answer the surveys and if your survey answers are satisfactory, then ultimately you will pay some money. So it's simple, like they will ask you some basic questions, and if your answers match their requirements, then ultimately you will be paid money. So this is one way that you can earn using Swagbucks, and there are also some other ways you can make using Swagbucks, like testing some products and services. If the new website is launched, so someone will ask you to test their website, see and tell your feedback. You can also earn based on that, and also by watching videos. In general, you watch YouTube videos and you will see ads, right? But that you can't earn anything using that ads. Only a particular YouTuber or YouTube platform will earn money, but not you, right? But what if you can earn money by watching those ads? Yes, that is also possible in Swagbucks. Of course, it's a time-taking process and not a creative one, but still, if you want means a quick passive income, then this is the best way. And number four is tutor.com. Tutor.com is online tutoring service and it's a one-to-one. So you know platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, etc. There like people will host their courses and you will enroll and you will learn something. But that is not one-to-one. But tutor.com is one-to-one service. Like if someone needs a tutor for a particular subject, like someone needs a physics tutor or mathematics tutor. So if you feel like you are good at those subjects, then ultimately you can register yourself as a tutor and you can take classes to them. So this is a one-to-one service, so you will be paid a lot. It's not like you are hosting your course and many people will register. Then the price that you will get will be low, but for one-to-one you will get a lot. So that is the advantage of tutor.com, and not that only a graduate should register, only a person with certificate should register. No, no such thing. So if you feel like you are good at something, you can become a tutor here. So this is also a best way to earn money using your skills. And number five is Course Hero. Course Hero is a combination of the first two platforms that I said, Check, Study Pool, etc. You can here you can earn money as an online tutor. I mean, you can teach people, you can take one-to-one classes, or the other thing is you can answer people's questions, similar to Check. So people might ask questions, and if you can help them solve their homework or assignment, then ultimately you will be paid money. So it is also a best way you can register in these multiple platforms to make money because one or the other platform will help you to earn. And number six is Encoro. Encoro is like complete affiliate marketing program. Here you will find many brands, Flipkart, Azio, Myntra, even you will find Amazon. So what you need to do is like you can browse products. You will get all the products that are available in Azio or Myntra or Flipkart. So what you need to do that if what you need to do is like if you can share the link of their products in your network. If someone purchases a product by clicking your link, then ultimately you will earn a commission. You see how much commission you will get here. If you promote a Flipkart product through Encaro, you will get 13.5% profit for every product that you sell or every product that I mean people will purchase from your link. And Agio 8%, Mintra 5%. So in this way, you can promote products of different brands. You will find multiple brands here, and for every successful referral, you will earn money. So this is also a best way. And number seven is beta testing. Beta testing is a platform where you need to test products of brands and companies. It might be websites, it might be their products. So what you need to do is that you simply need to browse through their product. Let's suppose if company A is launching their product in the next month, they want some opinions of people, like how their experience browsing the website and all. So if you can help them do that, you will pay money. You will be paid some money. So this is a best way to earn money. All you have to do is like you need to give your feedback on how you feel, how you experience. They will give you certain set of rules like how the buttons are working, how the forms are working, how the scrolling experiences. Like you need to answer all those questions, and based on your feedback, you will be paid some money. This is also a decent passive income source. And the other important thing is Amazon affiliate program. This is very popular way of earning passive income. So it's simple. Like you need to promote products from Amazon, and for everything, like you can see here, if you promote kitchen appliances, you will earn 9% profit. If you sell computers, you will earn 5% profit. If you sell books, you will get 5. So in this way, for each type of products that you sell, you will earn some money. So and this is also simple, like you need to register in Amazon Associates as an affiliate. But for that you need to have a good social media presence or you need to have your own website. Then only you will get accepted into the program. So once you are accepted into the program, all you have to do is like for every product that you click, let's suppose like I'm clicking with laptop. So for every product, like you will get something in the top. You will see like Amazon Associate Stripe. So here you will get text. So I'm in the HP 14s page. If I click text, I will get the affiliate link here. If I copy it, like if you can share anywhere in your network, you can share anywhere in your network, and if people click on that link and purchase this product, you will earn some commission. So this is how you can utilize Amazon affiliates to earn money. And number nine is Cambly. So Cambly is very popular English tutoring platform. So it's like you need to chat with people in English. That's it. If you are good at English, then ultimately you can register as a tutor. What you need to do is like there were many people who register to learn English. what you have to do is like every day you need to chat with them, or you need to talk with them in a video call for like 20 to 30 minutes. For that you will earn money. So this is also the best way to earn money with your English skill. And number 10 and last one in the list is user testing. It is similar to beta testing. Here, all you have to do is like you need to test products of brands and companies. If you do it successfully, then ultimately you will earn money.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope this would be really helpful for you. Also, please share this video on network. If you are a new visitor to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you.